Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about a topic that I find very interesting and challenging as well, and is the innovation in the fashion industry. For instance, it takes roughly 20,000 liters of water to produce just 1 kilogram of cotton, which is equivalent to one t-shirt and a pair of jeans. So now imagine how many tons of water are used to produce the clothes we are wearing right now. Well, this reason plus the global warming lead to think that a change in the fashion industry is really needed. And the way to cope with this challenge is through innovation and sustainable design. The aim of this kind of sustainable design and sustainable fashion in general is to eliminate or at least to reduce the negative environmental impact. Nowadays, lots of brands and startups are shifting their missions, focusing mainly on the transformation of the fashion industry for good and for offering a better future. Innovation that I am talking about is basically based on finding alternative raw materials such as textile fibers extracted from kelp, which is a variety of seaweed, biodegradable glitter made from eucalyptus tree extract, biopolyester that is used as a sustainable alternative to the original one. Also yarns, fillings, and fabrics obtained from the kapok tree. Also natural fabric made by extracting the cellulose from the fibers that are discarded from the pressing and the processing of oranges. Also apples, in particular the pectin inside the apple, to create leather-like material. Plus, this kind of leather can be also dyed naturally and tanned without chemically intensive techniques. And the same material can be also made from collagen molecules. And while least vegan clothes to replace fur coats. And all these new raw materials are produced by brand innovators that are supported by the Fashion for Good plug and the Playa Accelerator through partners like Adidas, Target, and Galeries Lafayette. Plus, I would like to add that in recent years, countries like Italy, France, and US are supporting the development of sustainable fashion that does not only include new materials, but it also cares about the fair trade, the supply chain, and more. Well, I would like to conclude my argument saying that since fashion is a consumer-facing industry, this means that the consumer has the real power because the consumer has to accept this kind of innovation. And for this reason, people are called to action to accept this change, starting, for example, from choosing slow fashion instead of fast fashion, or to prefer secondhand clothes rather than go to a shop and buy a brand new cloth. And while brands are trying to align the environmental goals with science and data, consumers have to facilitate this process in order to be successful.